Okay, what's up guys? 4SLMX back with another video. Oh, this is heavy. Dang it, dude. How did I mess that up? There we go. But we're going riding with Jesse, my neighbor. Whoop. Had to get the bike out, put some fresh gas in her. Okay, she's ready. Let's go for a little rip. Alright, I gotta adjust this camera. I had to gear up. There you go, man. All right. Ooh, I like the new tire pressure for sure. It's feeling nice and grippy. Oh yeah, I love it. Dropping in, let's go rip. Oh yeah, she's traction. Ooh, I like it. That's feeling good, I like it a lot. Running 17 front and rear, totally a difference. Loving it. Wonder how my clutch ups are on it. Let's sit down. Oh, a little bit. Let's slow down a little bit. Oh yeah, that's way better. I like it. Okay, that's pointing down. I'm going to be looking that way, so I'm trying to point it out for you guys. Ooh, love that traction. Let's drop in, go out. I like that power. Ooh, I like that. Alright, I'll get back to you guys when we start riding a little bit more. Okay, let's go. We're just ripping through this right now. Brake check. Drop in here, turn left, right. Alright, let's do this. Ooh, that's pretty smooth. One thing I'm noticing is this feeling a little bit weird. Something feels weird. It's probably just the new. Ooh. Drop through here. Sorry, it's kind of windy, guys. Drop here. There's not a lot, but you could just kind of see it if you want. Oh, dang it. This is pretty much all I've gotten.
Sick though.
It's tight.
Yeah.
It's going to loosen up there, but it's going to be a mile loop.
Nice, there you go.
Okay, so we're pulling up on the spot now. it a little bit of roost. Oh, that was so good. Oh my God, that was the best one I've hit. I like that. What the heck is that? Oh, that one's pretty sick. Alright, hit that. I'm gonna try to get on my phone. Alright, so we're gonna hit the little triple. I've been a little bit nervous. I've hit it a couple, like 2 times. But I don't know how I'm gonna feel hitting it right now. So you guys will be with me. Let's launch it. That one case pretty bad, but it felt good. Alright, we're gonna hit it again. That one felt pretty good. It's just super awkward for the run up. My case really bad though. I'm casing just a little bit.
Yeah, go a little faster if you get it.
I know, the problem is when you go faster, it bucks you more.
Yeah.
It feels weird. You could try it if you want.
I'm not feeling that good on a bike.
Yeah. It's not bad going to flat though. I've noticed.
Yeah.
It actually is almost smoother.
Yeah.
I don't know. I might try to go fast. I just don't want to bone air it the opposite way. Alright, let's give this a shot. We're going to start back here. We're going to run through here. Oh, so close! Oh my God, dude, that felt perfect. I like the way that felt. I like the way it felt a lot. That felt so good. But I kind of did a little tweak thing. Okay. I like how I'm standing on the bike. I'm standing nice and centered, staying centered. That's the tip right there. Okay. Really? Alright, I'll go again. I was so close on that. That felt good though. Other than the fact I cased a bit. Ah. Oh dude, that one didn't feel good. Dude, I had it so perfect. I gotta lean back. I gotta just let the bike take me. Okay, I'm gonna stand super narrow on the bike. We're gonna give this one a shot. Stay narrow. Okay, that was better. I'm gonna come in at more of an aggressive stance. Little kids. Okay, he got it, dude. Okay. That was scary. Oh my god. Okay guys, so we're doing a couple more laps and we're gonna head home. We managed to go back here. I noticed this, which is pretty cool. Okay, drop it down. Ugh. That's pretty sick. Oof. I gotta hit it first though. I'm gonna ride this trail back too. Alright, let's go through here. I wanna see how fast I could go. Quick. Let's just do a few laps right here and then I'm out. I'm tired. I'm ready to go home. We're just gonna drop in right here. Shoot. Yeah, let's drop in here. Let's do a couple more. That was a good scrub. There we go, I like that. Heading back. But yeah guys, thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.